Hello everyone, we are going to celebrate our International Drug Abusing Day. I am going to say about what is meant by drug and the types of drugs with an examples. There are 6 types of drugs. First type stimulants, example nicotine, caffeine. Second type sedatives, example alcohol. Third type painkillers like aspirin, morphine. Fourth type hallucinogens, example LSD, cannabis. Fifth type alcohol, example alcoholic drinks. Sixth type solvents, example glue, fuel, paint.
What is the drug abuse in simple word? The use of illegal drugs or the use of prescription or over-the-counter drugs for purpose other than those which they are meant to be used or in excessive amounts. Drug abuse may lead to social, physical, emotional, and job-related problems.
What is the theme of International Day Against Drug Abuse 2021? The theme of International Day Against Drug Abuse 2021 is Share Facts on Drugs, Save Life. According to United Nations, this is supported every year by various organizations all over the world, communities and individuals, and the main aim is to raise awareness of the major problem that illicit drugs represent to society. This aims to put an end to misinformation and promote sharing of facts on drugs, and also to create awareness of evidence-based prevention, health risk and the solution available to tackle the world drug problem, treatment and care. According to the United Nations Office on Drug and Crime, UNODC World Drug Report 2020, globally 269 million people used drug in 2018, which is 30% more than 2009, and it is estimated that 35 million people suffer from drug use disorders. UNODC invites everyone to be the part by taking a firm action against misinformation and unreliable sources while committing to share only real science-based data on drug and save life. By working together, we can tackle the world drug problem. You have only one life and don't waste it with drug.
Hello everyone, we are celebrating International Drug Abuse Day. Due to that, we are going to know a short information about that. Why 26th June is celebrated as International Drug Abuse Day? In 1987, the United Nations General Assembly decided to observe 26th June as the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking as the expression of its determined to strengthen action and cooperation to achieve goal of the international society free from drug abuse. Around 269 million people use drugs worldwide in 2018, which is 30% more than in 2009, while over 35 million people suffer drug use disorder, according to the latest report of World Drug Reporter. So please don't use drugs. Our life is very short now. Spend more time with your family and live happily. I'm finishing with the slogan, love saves lives, drug takes lives.
What is the problem of drug using? Drug using is dangerous. It can harm your brain and body, sometimes permanently. It can hurt around the people of you, including family, friends, relatives, kids and unborn babies. Drug use can also lead addiction. Some problems of addiction: changing your friends a lot, spending a lot of time alone, being in bad mood, being in tired and so sad, having a problems of relationships. Let's make a difference. Don't get drug addiction. Thank you.
Hello Hi everyone. How do drugs affect your brain? Drugs are chemicals. When someone puts these chemicals into the body, either by smoking, injecting, inhaling or eating them, they tap into the brain's communication system and tamper with the way nerve cells normally send, receive and process information. We know there are at least two ways drugs work in the brain. One, imitating the brain's natural chemical messages. Two, overstimulating the reward circuit of the brain. The high from drugs are pleasure effect. Scientists used to assume that the rush of dopamine alone caused the feeling of happiness during the drug use. But they now know it is more complicated than that. Many drugs, nicotine, cocaine and marijuana and others affect the brain's reward circuit, which is part of the limbic system. Pleasure activities of releasing the neurotransmitter dopamine. So dopamine does not cause the rush of feelings. Instead, it reinforces the desire to use drugs. Its consequence, drugs come in and hijack the same circuit. People learn to use drugs in the same way. After repeated drug use, the brain starts to adjust the surges of dopamine. Neurons may begin to reduce the number of dopamine receptors or simply make less dopamine. The result is less dopamine signaling in the brain, like turning the volume on the dopamine signal. Because some drugs are toxic, some neurons also may die. As a result, the ability to feel pleasure is reduced. So, don't use to the drugs. I finished this one slogan: drugs are not cool, they make you look like a fool. Thank you.
What are the 4 common characteristics of addiction? As a concept, the 4 characteristics of addiction was created to distill the disease of addiction to its most fundamental parts, which are compulsion, cravings, consequence, and control. They have since become a useful way to accurately describe or even identify addiction. Put it out before it puts you out. Thank you.
How drug addiction affect our society? Drug addicts' assumption is their addiction is their own problem and they are hurting themselves only. But it is a narrow view of what is a large-scale societal issues. It affects each and every corner of our society. It affects the cost of the individuals, their families and community in significant, measurable ways, including productivity and unemployability. It increases crime cases even in college campus. It increases violence, theft, homeless and poverty. It is the main reason behind child abuse and child neglect. It affects our environment and economy too. It loses the revenue for universities and business. So say no to drug addiction. Save the society of our nation. Thank you.
Today is June 26, Drug Abuse Day. What is the role of the family in preventing of drug abuse? The family plays a key part in the both preventing and intervening with substance use and misuse, both through inducing risk or encouraging and promoting protection and resilience. Slogan of this day is "Come with me, be drug free."